In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Terapeak on your eBay store for product sourcing. If you're an eBay seller looking to maximize your product listing effectiveness, leveraging Terapeak's insights is an invaluable step. It's a tool that provides an in-depth look at the current market trends, competitors' inventory, and historical pricing data to help you make informed decisions. To get started, first head over to eBay's website. If you haven't already, you'll want to prompt your browser to navigate directly to eBay.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. Logging in is crucial to ensure you have access to all seller tools, including Terapeak. Now that you're logged in, shift your attention to the top of the page and locate the Sell button. This will take you to your seller dashboard and is your gateway to a host of valuable selling tools provided by eBay. With the seller dashboard open, find your way to the Research tab. Here you'll want to hover over it gently but deliberately to display a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Product Research. This is where the real magic begins as you delve into the world of Terapeak analytics. In the product research area, focus on the search bar where you'll type in the specific name of the item you're interested in. Be as precise as possible with your keywords to ensure that Terapeak pulls up the most relevant data. Perhaps it's a trending item you've noticed or a niche product you're curious about. The more specific, the better. Once you've inputted your selected keywords or item name, hit the Research button. This command will set Terapeak to work, sifting through eBay's extensive sales data to bring you a nuanced view of the market landscape. It's a little like striking gold, as this function will reveal essential information about sales trends, pricing histories, and competitive strategies for the product or category you've chosen. After you've executed the search, take a moment to explore the data results provided by Terapeak. Here, you'll have the opportunity to view detailed insights and outcomes that can guide your sourcing strategies. Analyze the data thoroughly to understand which products have a high sell-through rate, or perhaps notice patterns in pricing fluctuations. Using this data, you can identify potential opportunities, optimize your listings for better visibility, and make well-informed decisions about which products to source for your eBay store. By integrating these insights into your selling strategy, you'll be better equipped to enhance your sales performance and profitability. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to harnessing the power of Terapeak within your eBay business. Happy selling, and I hope you find great success using these tools.